Well, how do y'all? Skeet Meatloaf here with today's MAGA news. All the news is 100% true today. It must be like pigs flying like the Blue Angels up there. Marjorie Taylor Greene was on the radio today. What the fuck is happening? Who is Trump protecting? What is he doing this for? This ain't for America. Who is this? Did Marjorie Taylor Greene get kidnapped and replaced by a clone or something? She's mad because he's not doing America first. He never was, Marjorie. Trump was never America first. Trump was Trump first and keep Trump out of jail. It starts all the way back with his criminally negligent response to COVID that he could have been thrown in prison for, along with a bunch of the GOP that lied for him. And then he went and stole top secret documents, and then he went and paid for insurrection, and then he committed a bunch of crimes after that. And yeah, he's always been that guy. You just got swindled.